Okay, today we learn animals. Okay, let's start. This one, fish, fish. F I S fish, fish. Next one is elephant, elephant. E L E P H E N T elephant. Next one is cat, cat. C A T cat. Next one is rabbit, rabbit. R A B B I T rabbit. Next one is duck, duck. D U C K duck. Last one is dog, dog. D O G dog. Okay, let's repeat. Fish, fish. F I S H fish. Elephant, elephant. E L E P H E N T elephant. Cat, cat. C A T cat. Rabbit, rabbit. R E B B I T rabbit. Duck, duck. D U C K duck. Dog, dog. D O G dog. Okay kids, bye bye.